Guys, what's up? Alicia here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you're joining me again. So today, this is not your typical average hair video. Today I am going to be redoing my room. I am going to be reorganizing, moving some stuff around, implementing some new things, and yeah, over there I have some new things. I'm also going to be using some furniture that I already have currently in my room, and is that it? Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the room looks like currently, and then we're gonna hop right into the video. Okay guys, so this is my entrance to my room. So I'm gonna swivel around. So this is what my room currently looks like. I have some new stuff over here, my bedding, my TV stand, which is gonna be switched out. Here is my fridge, but my fridge also will be moved. And then this is my closet, but this is like my storage closet. I actually organized that last night, so that's cool. Okay guys, so we are in the next stages of the room, putting the bed together. That is the most important part. Once the bed comes together, then that way you are able to go ahead and design the rest of the room the way that you want it to be.
One hour later.
Okay guys, I'm tired. Like, that bed took absolutely forever. So anyways, this is what the bed looks like. It's put together, it's done. So now I'm just gonna go and move my furniture into my room. I probably won't decorate until tomorrow, so hopefully by day 2 this project will be done. I mean, it's nothing major. It's not like I'm buying a lot of new furniture and I'm not doing that at all. I'm just basically using what I have. The only pieces of furniture that I bought was my bed. So yeah, so that little white thingy over there is going on top of a desk to make it to give the desk that I currently have more space, but my desk is in the living room. So I'm going to be moving the desk from the living room into my room over here into this space, that space right there. So it's like a wall that's pushed in, and then yeah, absolutely a mess, but no fear, the interior designer hands are here. The first thing I'm going to start with are these 3 paintings that I actually did myself. I went with some earth tones, you know. I can't really tell you what the color was in the middle of this picture. Terracotta. It was terracotta. That's the color. these vines that I got, or these ivy leaves that I got from Amazon. I purchased these. It's a pack of 12 and I think they're 80 feet long. So a year later, here I am. I am finally in a place where I can finally say I am comfortable to be in my own space and not just want to come in here and just lounge around and watch TV. Like, no, I feel like once I enter this room, I'm ready to work. I'm ready to meditate. I'm ready to just soak in all the good energy that went into this room, honestly. Entrance to my room. Here to the left of that entrance is a simple picture, but yet speaks to the heart. There is beauty and simplicity. Amen to that. Then up here, it's just a little medallion that I found at the at-home store. Coming down, I have a plant. This is a chevalier plant. Some water to mist the leaves. Then on this second row, I have like some essential lotions, the aloe vera plant that I'm trying to grow some roots, and then another slogan, be your own kind of beautiful. Then here I have an angel and another succulent plant. I'm not really sure what you call that. Then here, I don't know how to pronounce the real name of that, but the alternative name or the nickname for it is string of pearls. It's probably my favorite plant, even though it's bald right now. We're working on that. And then here I just have my camera and some essential oils and that little crush bowl. And then here, an elephant. I love elephants. They're probably my favorite animal alongside like a giraffe. Then here another succulent, aka the aloe vera magical plants, or the aka medicine plants. To the room, you have this beautiful corner over here. This is a wiki basket. It consists of a bouquet of flowers that I had when I was in a wedding. 2 light bulbs. This is my plant light bulb, and then this is a color changing light bulb. They're in there because I don't have lamps for them just yet. This is storing a blanket and an extra pillow. Then here, it's one of my favorite things yet. This is my woven rug that I actually ordered from Amazon. I had to send for another one because the first one that I ordered actually got lost in the mail. Then here's just a simple lamp for right now that will do. And then my bedding. My bedding is from Amazon. It's actually a duvet set. I paired it with a the regular blanket that comes, or the blanket that comes inside, or I paired it with a blanket that's actually designed for a duvet, and it sleeps quite well. And then here I have like a terracotta color accent pillow, and then Fluffy. This dog actually belonged to my mom, and it's now in my possession, my remote of course. And then like a little throw blanket just in case I get cold throughout the night. And I don't know if you guys actually like saw the big reveal of my bed, but it's just a simple bed frame. I thought it was white, but it's actually cream color, which is even better. And then coming over here, I have some fake or some faux ivy plant leaves I didn't know that ivy leaves grew in a vine, but don't tell nobody. And then up here I have some decorations. This is just a simple abstract decoration that I found at the at-home store. Those first 2 candles are from the at-home store. That third candle is from the Dollar Tree, and I can't remember where I got that plant from. I want to say it was Ross, but I'm like really cheap, you guys, so everything that I buy is like really on a budget. And then coming over here to this corner, this is my sanctuary. This big nice thing is actually a room humidifier. It's pleasant because it blows out cool air, and it's a fan. It's a fan to keep you cool. And then this is where the water is stored. And then here you see that I have a fountain, and I don't know if you guys can see why this is my sanctuary. And then here, a salt lamp, and then a picture of me, my mom, and my sister. And a simple mirror here. Hi guys, I don't know, like I look terrible, but hey. And then I hung around there another vine of ivy leaves. And then up here is a self-portrait of myself. And then another medallion that I got from the at-home store. I don't know, are these called medallions? You guys let me know in the comments section below, as I could be calling it the wrong thing and thinking I'm right. And then here is a DIY simple but yet nice tapestry that I made. This came from the dollar store. I found this stick outside, and this string came from the dollar store. And then I'm gonna back up. Ow. Here are my curtains. You guys know the story about that curtain right there. It's cool though, because I made it work. I probably should go and try to level out the ringing of the curtains though, because as you guys can see, those two are sort of kind of even, but that one is way off. And then here in the windowsill I have my mom's name. The story behind that is I actually was shopping around at a Goodwill store, and as I was leaving I found this, like it was just like out the corner of my eye. I spotted this and I had to get it. It was, I think, $10 I think. Anyways, I was like, it's worth it, you know. And then here is my desk. This is where I watch TV, probably a bad decision. Then here is the plants. I call this hands. I name my plants. This is hands. And it looks dry, but trust me, I know what I'm doing. And it's a bit dusty. It's dusty. And this leaf came like that. And then I have like a little fake plant that was actually given to me during Christmas. And then the laptop where I work, my chair, I don't know what this is, but my chair, which is quite comfortable, calendar, you know, because you can never go wrong with having calendars for reminders. Then here I have some candles, some gel pens. I like to use my gel pens for my calendar. I don't know, it's just like a color thing for me, organizational type thing for me. And then behind there I have another calendar, which sort of kind of needs to get updated because everything on there is just about done. And then coming up here is some artwork done by moi. I don't know, I was going with earth tones and I think I really did a great job, especially for this color. And that pillow that's on my bed, as you guys previously saw, that terracotta, it actually went very well. And I'm in love with this art. Like, it was just simple art, but I love it. And then coming down, I have this, I will walk by faith even when I cannot see. That speaks so strongly to me. And then my Bible that I need to learn how to crack open. And then behind here I have, what do you call that thing? Essential oil thing. I forgot. I mean, I'm kind of like foggy mind. And then here is my refrigerator. So I usually have that refrigerator in here because of hair products that I make and because I like water and stuff stored. And yeah, so a year later, here I am. I am finally in a place where I can finally say I am comfortable to be in my own space and to not just want to come in here and just lounge around and watch TV. Like, no, I feel like once I enter this room, I'm ready to work. I'm ready to meditate. I'm ready to just soak in all the good energy that went into this room, honestly. What else can I say? I don't know. I just feel really good about this room, and I'm hoping that this will be a place for me to forever continue my journey at dreaming, achieving, and succeeding. Don't forget to like, comment below what your favorite part of this room was, and subscribe to my channel. Now, even though that this is a room makeover video, This channel is solely designed for hair. This is my hair channel. I just decided to do something a little different for you guys. Anyway, so yeah, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any other content that I upload for you guys. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness.